Hey guys, Costco has so many exciting new arrivals for August and September, and I can't wait to show you what I found. I spotted a whimsical treat, the new Ninja Crispy Dual Zone Air Fryer, men's heat pans, seasonal finds, and so much more. There are definitely some fun surprises hitting the shelves right now, so if you love seeing what's new at Costco, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. Now, guys, I know it's only August, but Costco has this 4.5 foot whimsical Christmas tree, and look at just how adorable it is. It's going for $69.99 right now, and yes, it comes with 150 warm micro LED lights. And let me show you guys here what it looks like because it's on display at this Costco, and I just love this one. It has a candy cane stripe pole, and the little red ornament on top makes it even more festive. And then, of course, before Christmas, we have Halloween. So Costco did put both of the animated, what do we call these? The monsters. They put these on sale right now. So the Butler with the LED eyes and sound has $50 off through September 1st. This one went down to $150. It's around 6 feet tall. And then on this side, you have the 7.5 feet tall animated monster. It's very similar to Frankenstein. This one has $40 off through September 1st, so it went from $180 down to $140. Keep in mind that after September 1st, Costco's probably going to start marking these items down, and of course, that's going to vary by store and by location. This is the 10-piece acacia wood organizing boxes. I can really see these coming in handy when you're trying to organize like the drawers in your house. These have non-slip silicone feet and they're going for $29.99 right now. I do like that as in this 10-piece set, you get different sizes. So here is one of them, but you can see you get some smaller ones too. So it just depends on your needs. And then of course you can always arrange these, to fit your drawer. So here are the measurements for all the pieces that are included. Now, I've heard pretty good reviews when it comes to the Ninja Crispy, but Ninja decided to bring out the Crispy this time around with the dual zone feature, which is a game changer. You essentially get 2 baskets in an air fryer. And this version right here is going for $300. This is what it looks like. I even like the look of this one too. I like that you can also customize, both baskets to be like different temperatures. So you can cook meat on one side, you can cook veggies on the other, and they could cook at the same time, which is a total game changer. So of course it's glassware, and you get two of the 4-quart clean crisp dual zone glassware containers. You also get 2 of the storage lids, and you also get 2 of the crispier plates along with a recipe book. And guys, check out the size on these Yankee candles. You have 2 scents to choose from, sage and citrus, and the warm luxe cashmere. These are on sale right now with $15 off through August 31st. They went from $40 down to $25. So I do think that's a pretty good discount. You can see here it's a 3-wick candle. Again, these candles are 60 ounces, so they're extra large. Up to 120 hours of burn time, and they're made with a premium plant wax blend. Check out this beautiful fry pan set. It is by Our Place. It comes in a total of 8 pieces, and I love that these fry pans come with their lids. This one's going for $149.99, but I will say availability does vary by location since it is part of the special events. I found it on display, and guys, it's just so beautiful. I really like this one. And again, you get fry pans of 3 different sizes, 8, 10, and 12 inch. You get 2 storage racks included too. And this one has the ceramic nonstick coating. It's lightweight aluminum construction. It has stay cool handles, and these are oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So again, Our Place is part of the special events, and in another Costco location, I found it in the blue salt color, which is really pretty too. Again, a total of 8 pieces. It's going for $149.99, so same as the previous one I showed you. And here is the smaller fry pan, so you guys can take here a closer look. I like the beautiful gold knob on there. It comes with its own lid. Again, you get a total of 3 fry pans in this set. Now these bowls right here are actually pretty awesome. They can work as a great centerpiece bowls for like a dinner or gathering. I found them going for $14.99. You get a total of 5 pieces, and these are made of stoneware, by the way. And they happen to have the white one here on display. So this is what it looks like. I could definitely see myself using these for just serving salads, pastas, side dishes, of course, even fruit. Here are the measurements for each piece. And again, keep in mind the bowls can be nested together for easier storage. Now, if you're looking for a tumbler that you can use for both hot and cold beverages, you might want to look into this Owala Smooth Sip Slider. It comes as a 2-pack through Costco, and these are 20 ounces, by the way. These are going for $34.99. They have the leak-proof sliding lid that locks securely. And they keep your beverages cold for up to 24 hours, or they can keep your drinks hot for up to 6 hours. It's a triple layer vacuum insulation, and they're also cup holder friendly. Now, keep in mind the lid and the slider are dishwasher safe, and you can use them even for like iced coffee, tea, coffee, of course, other beverages even, but I'm liking the different color options through Costco. I came across the Ninja Creamy Extra Large. This is an 11-in-1 ice cream maker. It's going for $200 at Costco. And I'm noticing this bundle here comes with 3 of the 24-ounce deluxe pints. And it comes with 3 storage lids too. It has 11 functions, so you can do everything from ice cream to frozen yogurt. You can do sorbet. You can also do a frozen drink even. Again, the 24-ounce tubs are included. You get 3 of those, and it also comes with the 3 lids. I know my sister-in-law is already eyeing this one, but guys, I came across the Pixi Cat Water Fountain Combo Kit at Costco, and it is such a cute cat hydration and feeding set. It's going for $27.99. And they do have it on display here. And so let me show you guys here what it looks like. So this is a large 84.5-ounce water capacity. It's got a triple action filtration that helps remove debris and odors and soften the tap water. It has a super quiet detachable pump too. And it has LED water level indicator as well. Now, keep in mind the Costco version comes with a matching raised feeding bowl. It comes with 2 removable stainless steel dishes, and it includes 3 of the triple action filters too. I also came across this Dreo Smart Turbo Poly fan that's packed with features. So this one is designed to circulate air in rooms up to 300 square feet. It's going for $89.99 right now at Costco. And it's got 9 fan speeds. It's got 6 operating modes, and it can pretty much circulate air in multiple directions for better room coverage. It's supposed to be quiet. And yes, it works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant too. It has an app that lets you like set the schedules and the timers, and it has a 6-foot power cord. I think Johnny Pops did an amazing job with their chocolate dipped strawberry bars. But this time around, they brought out the organic strawberry bar. So I was just telling my husband, we're going to have to try these. You get 18 in the box going for $12.59. I do think these will eventually be on sale. It's just a matter of when. But these are pretty calorie friendly. Per pop, it's only 60 calories. It has around 14 grams of sugar. There you can see a list of the ingredients. I was wondering what the green color was. It's actually just organic spirulina extract. Now, this one is such a fun Costco find, especially because there are multiple designs and themes to choose from. These are going for $9.99 right now. It's 500 and 1,000 piece puzzles, so there's something here for everyone. And it features detailed artwork with themes such as cities, you have national parks, landmarks, and seasonal scenes. It includes a full color reference poster and also a resealable bag for storing the pieces. Now, one thing I did not expect to find today at Costco are plant caddies, but now that I think about it, I guess you can use them for indoor or outdoor planters. But I found these going for $27.99. They come as a set of two. They have a 15-inch diameter, and keep in mind that each caddy holds up to 200 pounds. So again, you can use them for large, heavy planters because you can roll your plants around instead of having to lift them. And keep in mind also each caddy has two locking wheels. And it's also 100% steel construction. I love finding kitchen towels at Costco because usually you get a really good amount for the price you're paying. So this one right here comes as a set of 8. These are the holiday kitchen towels, 18 by 28 inches. And these are going for $14.99 right now. They're machine washable, and look at how much variety you're getting in each pack. So obviously I found the green one, and I also found it in gray. This one's so cute with a cute little snowman on there. I also found this Kohler 8-liter step trash can that is perfect for like smaller, tighter spaces. I'm even thinking like bathrooms. These have $5 off through August 30th, so they are on sale right now. They went from $25 down to $20. And so this is what it looks like. You can see you can pretty much open it two ways. You can open it with a push of a finger, or it also has a foot pedal for hands-free opening. It has a stainless steel finish, and it also has a removable inner liner for easier cleaning. Considering I found a Christmas tree at Costco today, I'm not too surprised to find the base layer pants for men. These are going for $12.99. They're by 32 degrees, and they come as a 2-pack. These are perfect for when the weather gets cold. These are lightweight, and they add warmth without a lot of bulk. And so these are designed to retain body warmth. Their moisture wicking fabric helps keep you dry. It's a lightweight construction for easy layering, and you can comfortably wear them under jeans, work pants, or even snow pants. And keep in mind, these come as a 2-pack. I spotted several sizes. Sizing goes from small to extra large. Now, when it comes to shoes, I also spotted these Puma women's jogger sneakers on sale, and I've actually been waiting for this to happen. $6 off through August 21st. These went from 32 down to 25.99. I really like both color options. They have these in cream and green, and they do carry both whole and half sizes on them. These would look so nice with jeans or even leggings. And I love the retro inspired design with the suede details on them.